Hi everyone, welcome back to Colt's Toy Reveal. And today we have a
slime
making
kit. Not slime yet.
Can you hold it close so they can see it, Colt? So it's not slime yet, but today we are going to be doing the color changing slime kit.
It's glue right now.
It's glue right now. So it looks like it comes with some magical liquid.
Magical liquid, right? Of course, more magical.
Ooh, maybe a special light up tool. Okay.
Slime.
More magical liquid and 2 color changing glues. This one says it turns from yellow to red. And that one says it turns from blue to purple. Okay, let's see how we do this. So I think the directions are on the back. Colt is holding the UV light to draw on the color changing slime. That's pretty exciting. All right, so first it says we need a bowl and a spatula. While I'm going to get the bowl and the spatula, Colt, will you decide if you want to use the yellow to red or the blue to purple? If you turn them around, you can kind of see what they look like. Did you tell them what you're going to choose?
I'm trying to reply them. I choose this one. I choose this one. I choose this one.
You're trying to choke them. Okay.
I choose this one.
Oh my goodness.
This one goes with the yellow. This one goes with the blue. I'm going to do blue.
Okay.
Mom, this one goes for blue.
Okay. It says first you're going to pour out 5 ounces of the color changing glue. So this whole thing is 5 ounces. We are going to unscrew it and you are going to pour the whole thing into the bowl.
I'll put the whole
the whole thing into the bowl.
You know whole.
You are pouring the whole thing into the bowl.
Glue.
How does it feel? Ooh, there it goes. I think there's still like a little bit more in there. Nice. Okay, while you're doing that, I'm going to read the next directions. Directions number 2 say to add 2.
Done.
Awesome. Add 2 teaspoons of the Elmers magical liquid.
But it's not all the glue is on it. They're done.
You can maybe if we leave it upside down in the bowl, more will come out. Just leave it setting upside down, do you think? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yep. Which you said this magical one. So we just need 2 teaspoons of the magical liquid. So they gave us a lot more than 2 teaspoons.
So you can make more.
If we need to. So it's called the activator. So first I'm going to add, are you ready with the glue there? Maybe we need another minute. We good?
I'm still pooping.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have to put all of it in?
I think that's plenty. Okay, now we're gonna do 2 teaspoons. So I'm gonna pour that in because it's not very much, but you can certainly help me. 1, well, okay, not very fast, is it? 1, 2 teaspoons. And then you can mix it up with a spoon. Agitate.
Or another word to say.
Another word to say is agitate. So agitate, agitate. Mix it all in really well. Sometimes it helps if you hold the bowl as you mix, so you can mix a little stronger. Here you go. Are you noticing any differences? Ooh, I think it's getting thicker. What do you think?
Done.
Okay, I'm gonna help mix it a little bit. See how we do. Agitate, agitate, agitate.
I think it already is doing it.
It's a little bit thicker, but we might want a little bit more of the magic solution. Help me pour another little, yep, perfect. And agitate again.
I think it already is one.
Okay, let's see. Agitate, agitate.
It already is one, Mom.
I think it's already slime. All right, it says step number 3. Stir in the magical liquid until it becomes hard to mix. Right now, it's not so hard to mix. Do you think it's hard to mix?
No.
Me either. Let's keep on adding it.
Hey, I can
And
help you.
You know what that's for?
What?
That is a UV light. So it says if you squeeze the button on the UV light.
What button?
Isn't there a button on the front? Is there an on-off switch? Maybe that's the on-off switch on the back. What do you think?
That middle.
It's definitely not ready yet. It doesn't. Oh, there's the UV light. Can you show them? Point the UV light right at them so they can see. All right, so that is the UV light. And apparently, remember how it said color changing? When we put this on the table, not yet, but when we put this on the table, and we think it's thick enough, it's getting thicker.
Hey.
Don't do it yet. It says not to do it in the bowl. Wait until we get to the table.
I'm pointing that.
And, okay, I'm gonna put some on the table. And don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. So right now, what color is it?
Blue.
It is definitely blue. Now, hold that UV light on there. What color is it turning? It's getting darker, I think.
That's all I want to be right now.
That's just the color you want it to be right now? Okay, but that UV light turns it to purple. Purple,
I think.
we think. Here, hold it on a little bit longer.
That's all I want to be right now.
You could even write the letter C in it for Colt.
Oh.
If you want it to.
Too late.
That's okay. It'll turn back when it has normal light on it. So it won't stay that way. It turns back when it has normal light. All right. Anything else you want to say to your subscribers?
Thank you, and make sure you like it, and hit the subscribe button.
All right. Bye, everyone. We hope you enjoyed Colt's review of Elmer's Color Changing Slime
Who's Elmer?
Kit. That's what this one's called, Elmer. All right. Bye, everyone.